Oh yeah, she's looking good. But that is the point of today's video.
Yeah.
How is it going, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Yes, today's subject of the video is the red Camaro SS, because we've already taken care of the black one, although she's sitting out there dusty from us driving there and everything. The black one's still looking over there all nice and clean and sexy, but there's a little bit of dust on it, but I'll take care of that with some detail spray or some spray on wax on the top of it. But this one needs a little love. So what we're going to be using, you may ask, it's another product from Lithium Auto Care or Lithium Auto Elixirs, whichever name you want to look up. And as you know, I've used the trim serum on all the plastic on the Tahoe and the black car. I've used the seal and squill on the black Z28. Love it, works great, awesome, flawless so far. How long is it going to last? We'll see. But today is another product by Lithium that they sent me. Name of it, Glow Sauce. So let's get you spun around and read the back of it so we can see what all it says. Lithium Glow Sauce, Ultra Premium Elixirs, 16 ounces of insane results. Now when I read that insane result part, I was kind of skeptical at first, but I have to admit, after using it on those two vehicles, I have gotten some pretty crazy results. I so far am very pleased with the turnout and the way it's worked. Now, this is their carnauba based wax. It says T1 carnauba wax, emulsified with natural oils, no solvents, amino functional polymers. So in other words, this is a blend, it's a hybrid. It's got carnauba wax in it, but it also has some polymers in it, which as we know are artificial. Glow Sauce. Glow Sauce represents everything we have learned over the past 20 years. And I don't know, has it been a different name, or have I just not been seeing it for some reason? But back what it comes to. When it comes to making your car's finish healthy and insanely beautiful, it is an elixir made from the finest T1 carnauba wax, natural oils, and amino functional polymers which adhere to the paint surface better than anything on the planet. Directions: apply Glow Sauce to clean, cool surfaces only. Allow wax to cure for several minutes, then remove with a microfiber towel, buff to an incredible shine. And for more tips, go to their website. And proudly made in the United States of America, or the USA. Yay! Now I'll be applying this with a foam applicator pad. I know, it's not what it said, but I'm going to do it anyway. And then I will be taking it off with a low pile microfiber towel, which it does say that I got from McGuire's when I bought their polish kit. And I love it. It's my favorite towel for removing waxes and polishes, so that's why I'm using it. But let's get out to the car. I'm not going to do a 50-50 taped off detail like I did with the seal and squill, because that's not what this type of product is for. This product is for hiding small imperfections and making your car really look good. That's why you leave it on there and let it cure, because basically it's hardening on that surface. It's sticking to the paint as it cures. So I'll probably do a section, let it set for a while, and then come back and show you the before and after, and then finish off that section. But I'm not going to be doing a taped off section. So let's get out to the car and get this thing started. I probably will not get it finished today, but I will get it started today, because it's now 6:48 and it gets dark around, pitch dark around here now around 7:40, 7:30, somewhere around there. It's just that time of year. But I had a little extra time this afternoon from running errands and stuff, and I figured I'd go ahead and get it started. I can, as I've told you before in other videos, you don't have to do a whole car at one time. You can do just sections of it. Come back to it whenever you can, do another section. But I know between today and tomorrow I'll get it done. Wife won't be happy. Shh. She won't. But I'll get it done anyway. So let's get out to the car. Alright, as many as you know, this is already a glossy surface car. I keep my paint and stuff protected the best I can. But with wintertime fast approaching, it is now time to try to put extra protection on it, because you can't get out here in the wilds of winter and do this. It's just too cold. The waxes and stuff will not cure. But I've already shaken it up, but I'll shake it up a little bit more. I've already removed the seal. You know what we're going to do? It didn't say circular, didn't say back and forth, so I'll be using back and forth motions. And let's see here. It comes out like a paste. It's not, or it's a cross between a liquid and a paste. As you can see, it's not hard like a regular paste wax, and it's not watery like a regular liquid wax, so it's kind of a cross. But I figure I'd do this section and not that section. Let this section cure and then come back to that so you can see how it comes off and how it looks. But as this cures, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the hood. And like I said, I'll leave this section for before and after shots so you can see. But we'll be back in just a few minutes. I'm gonna let it sit for about long enough for me to do the other side of the hood and maybe the top of the car. So we'll be right back. So I mean, it is really not taking long at all to flash. Get that piece of stuff out of there. There we go. But as I can see, right there's the before and there's the after, so you can see. Let's see how easy this comes off. First thing I always, well first, is it dry? Yeah, it's dry. First thing I always do is anywhere where I have a body line or a crack, I always go down it so that there's no leftover wax in it. So how easy does it come off? It grabs a little bit at first. But man, look at that. I have barely rubbed and almost every bit of it's already gone. Wow, that has come off super easy. Flip it over. Oh yeah, I can feel the wax on there. Now can I see a difference in this light? Well, go back and look. Sorry about that, wiping off sweat. Can I see a difference in this light? To be honest with you, no, I cannot. I honestly cannot. But I am going to leave this section until tomorrow and see if I can see a difference in the different lighting. But I'm going to go ahead and take off the rest of the car and see if I notice a difference. Because you know how some products are. As you use it, you really can't see any difference, and then when you walk away, it's like, holy cow. But let's remember, the front third of the hood, this side, passenger side, I did not do. And we'll check it out in the morning or tomorrow during better light. I tell you what, you ladies and gentlemen of today's society have it so made. I literally just did the hood. I haven't wiped off the mirrors yet. The top of the car, the whole top, this whole section on both sides, and completely across the back. I did that whole amount of the car, start to finish, including talking on this video, in under 10 minutes. I cannot believe that. Today's waxes and sealers and polishes go on so easy and come off so easy. Used to, that would have been a 3-hour job easy. Well, 2-hour job easy. Back in the day with the old turtle wax with Simon Eyes. You sit there and you have to rub it on in circular motions. Can't miss a square inch, because if you miss anything, you are going to see it. But man, look at her. She's looking good. Now I'm not going to lie, this lighting is going to play with it a little bit. It's going to make it look super, super, super glossy. Like I just sprayed it down with water. But like I said, I'm telling you up front, that is the lighting that's making it look that way. Now I'm sure some of it is due to the wax that I just put on it, and that's all fine and dandy. But I honestly do not know the outcome of the wax or anything until tomorrow in better sunlight, and we'll see. Like I said, I've gotten everything. I still got to wipe off my mirrors, as you can see. But watch how, this is why I left it. Watch how easy it comes off. You can see it's on there, right? Just wipe it like that and it's already gone. I mean, good God. That is ridiculous how super easy today's waxes and polishes are to put on and take off. It's just so hard to believe. You guys have no idea how easy you have it today. But I'm going to go ahead and sign off. I'm going to take care of the rest of the mirrors because I still got to get in, you know, in these cracks in there and all that stuff. I got 2 mirrors. But yeah, 10, 12 minutes max. And I've done the whole top of the car. And that's one of the cool things about keeping your car protected. I know I have wax on these sides. I did not take off the existing wax to do this because you can layer today's waxes. You can put a sealer on it and then wax on top, wax on top, wax on top. Get more and more and more gloss. But the problem is some products don't work too good together. So before you do it, always contact the manufacturer if you can, like Adams or Griots or Lithium Auto Products. They'll answer your questions because once you get so many, I'm sorry, I'm just going to talk through it. Once you get so many layers of product on your car, it will actually start to haze up. It will actually start to look cloudy. Sorry about that. It was just getting so loud I couldn't talk over. I was feeling like I was hollering. And the dogs, of course, were starting to bark. But as I was saying, by layering, you're getting extra protection, you're getting extra gloss. But the problem is if you put too much on or the wrong kinds that don't work together, it will actually start to haze up. It will actually start to look like you didn't wax it at all, or like you've actually messed the paint up. Skeeter's starting to come out. Triple E! I gotta get inside. But as you can see, like I said, it is some of the lighting, and I know some of it is the wax, but look at how glossy this bad boy is. We'll take a look at it tomorrow during the light, and I'll try to finish it tomorrow, but if I can't, that's one of the other great side benefits of doing cars. If you keep them protected, and this is what I started to say before the siren hit and threw me off, if you keep them protected, all you have to do is go back toward the end of that protection cycle. Like if you put on a regular wax and it says it's good for 6 months, well, you know in 3 months, if you live outside like my cars do. Hey, if you're outside for 3 months of a 6-month span, you know it's time to start reapplying something. So by reapplying it, you don't have to do the whole section at one time. You don't have to try to do the whole car at one time. You can come out, wash your vehicle, and do 1/4, do 1 door, do 1 hood, whatever you decide you want to do, because you're keeping it protected. If you don't have anything on it, then you're pretty much out of luck. You need to do the whole thing. Now, is that saying that you have to? No. You can still do 1 section at a time, but you're not going. Your car's not going to be protected as well as if you're maintaining it by keeping protection on it, right? But until tomorrow, I'm going to go ahead and sign off. You'll see me in probably a different outfit and everything tomorrow, unless I sleep in my clothes and wake up in the car from something I really don't remember doing. But we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks. Now, I am sorry. I must apologize now. It is not the next day like I had planned. Nope, in fact, it's now 3 days later. I had something go on that I could not take care of, that I had to work through. And it's health related. I'm not going to tell you what it is and all that great stuff, because most of you don't care anyway. But with all that said and done, it's a couple days later, and I wanted to show you. And I kind of figured this would happen, because this is not that type of product, but I wanted to show you anyway. Remember I did the before and after, and yes, there's dust on it and everything now, but I have not finished this section, and you cannot tell any difference whatsoever in that spot. And that's kind of the way this product is. It's not a polish, it's not a cleaner wax, it has no abrasives in it, so I kind of figured that this is what it is. It's more along the lines of a sealer, but more of a gloss enhancer, if you will. Now, with that said, I have since finished the car. I'm sorry I didn't get to show you the process of me finishing it and everything, but it is finished. I've done the whole car. I have not done the tires. I have not done the plastics. That's another video. I'm going to be once again installing the trim serum on the plastic and stuff on this car, because even though it's a fairly new car, it still needs it. I mean, it's a 2012 model, so it's got a few years on it. But let me show you. It turned out really nice. It now has a slickness that it has not had in a while. The last time this car was this slick, I had installed Griot's Garage Polywax, which is another product that works wonders. It goes on really slick, I mean easy, it comes off super easy, and it stays on for quite a while. But one of the things that it does is it enhances the gloss properties of the car, the paint. So here you go. It has not been washed, like I said. It's got leaves on it. I'm fixed to take care of that because I got to run to the store real quick. But look at the gloss and the shine on it. Now, as you remember, I showed you in the dark of how gloss paint will look. This is broad up daylight, and as you can see, it is super glossy, albeit just a hair dusty. But look at the gloss that I am getting through that dust and everything. It looks really, really good. I still got to do the tires, still got to do the trim, still got to do the plastics. Because as you can look, the trim is a little graying. It's not that deep, nude black look. You can even tell the difference between that and this. I'll get it all, but I want it to look like that. But it currently looks like this. So that's going to be one of the upcoming videos where I actually do the trim on this car as I get it ready for winter and everything, because it's coming. Today's the first day of October, and like what, the third or fourth day of fall? Well, we're getting there. But let's get this show on the road. I'm going to go to the store like I promised the wife I would do. And I'm sorry, Lithium Auto Products, I didn't do this video justice, but you know, I had something come up that I couldn't take care of. But the gloss sauce is an excellent product. It goes on really, really good. It comes off super easy, like you would expect new car waxes to do. But with that said, I mean, look at the gloss on that. I mean, it just works really well. But when you take it off is when you notice the difference. It's not like your regular waxes where you sit there, you put it on, you wipe it off, and you really can't tell the difference with today's liquid waxes. Now, the old Carnauba style waxes and everything of the day, back in the days. Now, sorry, I'm trying to move around because mosquitoes are out, and this, you know, the world right now is going through the triple E, or at least the United States is, and I'm trying not to, you know, because that mosquitoes love me. There'll be 5 of us out in the yard, and only I'll get bit at least 10 times. Now, with all that said, it's not like today's liquid waxes aren't like the Carnauba waxes of the day where you rub them on, and as soon as you wipe it off, you throw a towel on it and watch the towel slide off the hood. It doesn't work like that today with today's liquid waxes. But with this gloss sauce, it does. As soon as I wiped it off, flipped the towel over, the towel wanted to get away from me on the hood and on the top of the car, so I had to grab it and finish wiping it off. But gloss sauce, great product, 2 thumbs up. I'll put the link and everything in the box below so you too can check it out if you want to. I would recommend, if you are looking for a new wax and everything, to give it a try, because it really does do a good job. It does what it says. It gives a gloss, as you can see, once again, through this nice, dusty, dirty car. But until next time, see you in the next video. You guys get out there and enjoy your cars. I enjoy mine every single time I drive them. Thanks so much for watching.